This is one of those geometry puzzles that looks tricky at first, but once you spot the right setup, everything falls beautifully into place. We start with a quarter circle. The 90-degree corner is at point B. The vertical radius extends upward to point A, and the horizontal radius extends to the right toward point C. Inside that quarter circle sits a right triangle, triangle ABD. And our goal is simple. Find the exact area of the green shaded region. Let's gather the clues. The hypotenuse of the triangle, AD, is exactly 5 units long. And there's a small segment on the bottom edge, CD, which measures exactly 1 unit. That tiny piece turns out to be incredibly important. Let's call the radius of the quarter circle R. That means AB equals R, and BC also equals R. Now look at the bottom side of the triangle, BD. Since the entire horizontal radius is R, and the little piece CD is 1, BD must be R minus 1. And just like that, we know all 3 sides of the right triangle. The vertical leg is R, the horizontal leg is R minus 1, and the hypotenuse is 5. That means we can immediately use the Pythagorean theorem. R squared plus the quantity R minus 1 squared equals 5 squared. Expanding the square gives R squared plus R squared minus 2R plus 1 equals 25. Combine like terms. 2R squared minus 2R plus 1 equals 25. Now subtract 25 from both sides. We get 2R squared minus 2R minus 24 equals 0. To make the numbers cleaner, divide everything by 2. Now the equation becomes R squared minus R minus 12 equals 0. And this factors nicely into R minus 4 times R plus 3 equals 0. So there are 2 possible solutions, R equals 4 or R equals negative 3. But a radius can't be negative, so we throw that answer away immediately, which leaves us with R equals 4. Now we're almost done. The green area equals area of the quarter circle minus area of the triangle. Let's calculate each one. First, the quarter circle. The formula is pi times radius squared divided by 4. Substituting R equals 4, pi times 16 divided by 4, which simplifies to 4 pi. Now for the triangle. Its height is 4. Its base is R minus 1, which equals 3. So its area is 1/2 times 3 times 4, which equals 6. Now subtract. Green area equals 4 pi minus 6. And that's the exact answer. 4 pi minus 6. If you want a decimal approximation, 4 pi minus 6 is about 6.57 square units. If you figured it out before the final step, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.